Hey guys, so today we're gonna solve a Rubik's Cube with it. I'm gonna ride my bike, and for every mile I ride, that's gonna be one turn. So let's mix it up and get started. So that looks like a pretty good scramble. I'll see you out there. Okay, so this is where I'm gonna start. 0 miles at 11:35. Let's keep going. Okay, we're exactly 1 mile in. Mile number 2. Got our first edge in. And here's mile number 3. Mile number 4. Got the red and the blue into place. Mile 5. Mile 6.
A few moments later.
9 miles in. Got the 10 miles. Okay guys, I'm back, so let's continue on mile 12. Mile 13. And we finally have the cross 3, our 14 miles in.
A few moments later.
22 miles. So, E2. Okay. Mile 23.
The next day.
Mile 61. Mile 62. Mile 63. 65. Okay guys, we are on mile 66. Tomorrow we might go mountain biking, so if we do, I'll show you the footage. And then after that, I'll do all the turns. So, mile 66. So as you can see, we are at 86 miles. Before we left, we were at 66. So I'm going to do 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Mile 87.
A few moments later.
Mile 88. Mile 90. Second layer done. Mile 91. Mile 92. Mile 93. Mile 94.
A few moments later.
So as you can see, we are currently over 100 miles. So the last time I did it was at 94. So I get 6 more turns. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's 100 turns. So I'll see you at the next mile, which is 101. Mile 101. Mile 102. Mile 103. Mile 104. Mile 105. 106. 107. 108. Mile 109. Mile 110. Mile 111. Mile 112. Mile 113. 114. Mile 115. Mile 116. Mile 117. 118. Mile 119. Mile 120. And that was the last turn. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.